Today we're going to talk about our 5G Cosmos integrated 5G solutions. If you're having a 5G network, you will need an efficient supporting network to get the signals to and from your 5G antenna. At STL, we have designed the complete network, which of course always starts with the fiber. For that, we have designed the StellarTM Fibre, which is a bend-insensitive fiber that can be matched to a G652D fiber when it's come to the mode field. It's first of its kind to have a bend-insensitive fiber that can be spliced into a D fiber. So it doesn't stop with the fiber. From the fiber, you also need to have the cable. 5G networks require high capacity cables. For that, we do have the IBR. The IBR is a rollable ribbon so that you can splice it efficiently. You can have 12 fiber at the same time as you do for a standard ribbon, but since it's rollable, you can then easily get it into the closures. So you need an efficient closure. So for that, we do have a closure that is suitable, designed for ribbon technology. You go from that big closure, you're coming in with your IBR, with your ribbon fiber. After that, from that closures, you're going to the next smaller closures. The good thing with our design is that even if it's different kind of closures, they're based on the same technology, where your entry ports is the same, the routing, the cassettes will be the same, so the installer will recognize what they're doing. They can do the same handling of the fiber management, independent on what closure they are into. So from the small closure, we have also designed a new OptiBlaze, our CBT terminal. The OptiBlaze is an outdoor pre-terminated connector. You plug it in. From that, you can have it either like 4, 8 or 12 ports. You can do it with a splitter, or you can have it as a point-to-point connections. Easy to access. When it is installed, to access the drops, all you have to do is to plug in the connector. And the unique thing with our solution is that the drop is round. When you have a round drop, you do not have any preferential bends. So for the installer, it gets very easy to route into the box that we do the splicing. So for a 5G integrated solutions, we do have all the components that is needed to build a very efficient high capacity network.